What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, long overdue video. There has been so much going on. If you are a follower of this channel, I've been on a hiatus a little bit, but that's because we are, I guess, within 20 something days of potentially closing on our new home, which will inevitably make this a much larger, more functional area. I'll have so much more content and so much more freedom to post things. I'm very excited. I don't want to talk too much about it. But another thing that just happened, we had our lease expire, or it's about to expire. We handed it in a month early, whatever the case may be. So we had a 2023 Kia Telluride. I really did like it. The plan was to upgrade to the 2026 or 2027 Telluride, whatever. I think that 6 is not there now. 27 is the refresh, whatever it is. But they took away the V6, and I didn't like the styling enough without the V6 to justify keeping it. So basically what we did is we decided to look around for comparably sized vehicles and, you know, try to keep the monthly payments in a good situation for us and our family, and especially with a new mortgage on the way, because we're not rich. So this new vehicle is going to get a Proclip. It is a 2026 Volkswagen Atlas. Now, I know some of you might love or hate this decision. It is what it is. It's for our family. I personally, as of right now, really am happy with the decision, but I really like this vehicle. In the next month or so, I'm going to do a like-dislike video on it, because there, again, no car is perfect, not even this. So there are going to be things that I want to talk about, but the main point of today's video, we have to throw this bad boy in here. Every vehicle, period, that I own is going to have a Proclip, and that's just that. So I got the mount, and what I'm going to do is reuse the Magic Mount magnetic charger setup. My wife loved this on the Kia, and it was been just like a life changer for her. Very, very simple, very easy. You don't have to worry about the cradle if you don't want to. I think this is the move if you have Magsafe on your phone. I think this is absolutely the move. So we're gonna get into the vehicle. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put this, and that's it. We're gonna make it happen, Captain. So my wife has this while we drive today. So we are in the cockpit of this vehicle. I'm not gonna go too in-depth on it. We got it at 7 miles. We are at 323. So we've had it for, I think, about a week. Very, very cool, very slick, nice. I like this setup. I like the little bit of the wood. The seats are nice. We're gonna go into that later. And again, we have 2 kids, and we're shopping for 4. So, you know, this is just gonna be a tough couple months. But let's get into it right now. This is the mount that we're gonna be putting on, and it's gonna go pretty much right around here, which it's going to block some of the vent, which is fine because we still got this one, and there's literally 2 vents here. Like, I guess one can point down at your balls, and one can point down at your face, or one can point down at your taco, and one can point down at your face. Whatever situation you got different situations. But it's very nice. I like this interior. It's pretty cool. We got a giant panoramic sunroof. The only thing I'm going to talk about in my other video that I don't love is everything is like swipes and gestures. So like, you want to mess with the volume. There's no like touch buttons. It's very strange. So like, you have to like, it's very strange to get used to. That'll probably be one of my dislikes, maybe one of the few dislikes that I have for this, but well, other than this gloss black. We're going to talk about that later. But let's unbox or unwrap like a condom and put this thing on real quick. So I'm a little bit rusty when it comes to filming, and I don't have as much time today because my wife and my daughter are going to dance competition in like 10 minutes. So I'm trying to like stress to get this done. But this is the piece. It goes in here. So there's this little lip here that's going to attach up. So what I'm going to do is snug this as close as I can to here. And then this just locks in here. This way I keep as much of this vent portion open as possible, so that, you know, I'm just going to leave this all the way to the left. So that's the open position. And, you know, all we need to do is up or down if we want to chill with that. You just remove this blue piece here, so this turns into an adhesive. Now, I did modify this a little bit. My phone's larger than my wife's phone, but I will be driving this as well at times. So with the larger phone, the Pro Max, it is sitting like this. It's very close, in my opinion, to here and here. And the freak out I would have is that this is gloss black trim. I don't love that. I don't love that this is the wedge necessarily. But if this would have come out straight, because I do have the ability to move this any which way I want anyway. But it's wedged, it's angled toward me anyway here. And what it does is it gives me that little bit much of a distance, of a push. And even if it's this much more, it clears. Now, my wife has the smaller iPhone. She doesn't have the larger one that I do. So for her, it's probably fine having it like this. But for me, not so much. So I'm going to just put this on here. And then it's got the USB-C. I'll eventually do it when I have time and use these. These are the little stickers. So I'll probably put something down here to keep the cable management not looking as funky, but we don't really use this, and this is the phone charging pad. We're not going to use this now, obviously, if the phone can charge right here, and we'll still have a USB-C open right there. So we'll have access to this, we'll have access to the other control. The only one we're going to block off is half of this, but again, like I said, I'll have this wide open, which is good. So either way, let's put this on real quick. When you have anxiety, small things like this, getting that started, I have no nails. I bite my nails. It's really not the best. I don't recommend you do that. So don't do that. It's not ideal. Alright, so we're just going to pop this in. Like I said, we're going to snug this right up to like where this would go. I mean, I guess technically you could go a little bit over, so we can overlap a tiny bit. But we're going to flop this in like that. I'm going to make sure that sticks there. And then the next part of this equation here is making sure everything looks good. And it's tight. All right. This is going to come down here. This is going to plug this in. Guess for now my wife will just have to be aware of the cable. Now, I'm going to tighten this down once she's in, but this is rock solid. This, like all Proclips, that's going nowhere. But let me show you what I'm saying now. Again, I have a much larger phone. It's going to go here. This works, obviously. But now, with the thing I did, I have room. I'm okay with that part, and it pushes me a little bit away from here. And this now is not as close, and it's out. Otherwise, if this was closer, I would be banging into this with how large my phone is. But now I've got access to everything. And again, like I said, it's annoying. It blocks off a tiny bit, but you could still reach. So like you can still, still turn the car on. This thing's a little strange. You're flicking your bean while you're driving or whatever. Again, look, now you get in the car, you turn it on, and there's no real way to do anything until you're like, you gotta tap buttons and, Jesus Christ. I gotta figure all this out. That's a lot. Why does she have it on 79 degrees? Goodness. Wild behavior. But yeah, this is awesome. It charges. Like I said, I can take more slack out of this and run it better this way so that it's straight down and drooped and I don't have to have it like this. But for now, I'll probably end up just, tucking it a little bit. It'll be fine for today. Today, we just got to get to the dance. But again, look, just pops it right on and then it's rock solid. So I have no complaints. Again, another successful Proclip. I'm very happy. I will not have a vehicle without my Proclip. Cannot, will not, won't not. I love it. It is highly recommended always. And one of the next couple mods I'm going to do to this, you swipe down and that. This is stupid. I'm going to see. I think they have a plug. I don't know. I know for sure it's on the older gen. I don't know about the 26. But there's like an in-between plug that just completely makes it so I don't have to push that every time. Auto stop start, I guess some of you might like it. I can't stand it. It's just stupid. I'm glad that this does not have that because, again, I did not like that. I didn't like it in the Escalade. It was so ridiculous that you have to get into your vehicle and constantly do stuff. It's stupid. But this is what we're looking at. Very, very cool. Very happy. Now I have a Proclip, because the other thing, putting a phone in and out, you're going to run a chance of smacking into this anyway, constantly. There's definitely going to be some wear and tear here. I was putting my phone in here. I didn't like that. So, and then some people might put it there. These are also very, very hard. I hate that. That's another thing for the dislike you're going to love. But again, like I said, phone goes right in there, connects, charging, perfect, boom, still got USB-C open. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. There is going to be pauses here and there until I figure out for sure what's going on, until we move. Then I've got renovation. I will be doing videos. There will be some transitions with this channel. It's not going to just be like my car mods and detailing. I'm going to be adding more of the mental health videos, some more fitness content, but mostly fitness equipment. I'll do a video on that very shortly, explaining that portion. And then I might just start doing stuff about the house, little odds and ends, little upgrades, little things. If I added a tech package, something audio, something in the backyard, or this guy Derek that I follow, where he like shows the chronicles of messing with his house. I'm not going to steal his idea, but maybe a couple things here and there when things go right or wrong, I'm going to post about it. So we'll just add a little bit more flavor to it, and that's it. But thank you so much for stopping by. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one.